Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. Today I'm going to talk about the same topic that I was talking about in my previous video, and that is, do video games cause violence or not? The answer is no. There is no proper link that has been established by academic studies. I just googled it right now as to whether video games cause any violence or not. There is no proper link that has been established in any proper scientific study. So stop saying this kind of nonsense and spouting this kind of nonsense all the time on podcasts. I really would love to see, people actually making sense on this topic. People sometimes just spout whatever they just want to say, and really, millions of people in this. I was reading an article just now regarding this topic, and one of the people said that that some people in America are blaming all kinds of mass shootings that happen in America on video games. Well, these kinds of mass shootings are not happening in Japan, in South Korea, in other places, almost in every other country around the world where video games are being played left and right without any issue. People are playing amazing. People have been playing video games since they have been around, and they are not causing any kind of violence, not that I know of. Maybe one or two people might be inspired to be violent, but just because one person does something crazy, what, we are going to ban the entire video game industry? Really, is that the logic that we are going to do? Is that the logic that we are going to implement? Just because one person has to do something crazy because of something that he or she might have seen in a video game, just one person would necessitate a policy change for the entire video game industry. Really, is this the kind of nonsensical policy making that politicians have today, that legislators around the world have today, that legislators are thinking about banning video games? What this is representative of? I don't like criticizing people who are older than me. I don't like being ageist, being biased against old people. And you should not be. I am not biased against anyone for that matter. But when I see old people who do not understand what video game is, what the video game culture is, what the whole notion of playing video games is, when these kinds of people lecture us about whether or not should I play video games or not, whether or not should I be allowed to play certain kinds of video games or not, when they do not even understand the concept of video games, when they do not even understand the whole culture of playing video games, just because you don't understand it does not mean that it is necessarily wrong. It is plain and simple. Just because you do not understand it does not mean that this is a bad thing. Is that clear? Just because some new kind of technology, some new kind of thing is being enjoyed by millions of people around the world, and yes, there are many graphic acts of violence that are being shown in video games, and I do not play. I myself don't play a lot of video games that I feel are pretty graphic, that just have cuss words and swearing left and right, and have a huge amount of profanity, have over sexualized video game characters. I don't play those video games, but I am not out there asking for those video games to be banned. Okay, it just if you don't like playing, if you don't like a video game, just don't play it. But do not lecture people that you should not be playing those video games just because you might be inspired to become a mass shooter because of one video game. Really, just one video game, and you are just going to go out there with a machete or with a machine gun and just going to kill God knows how many people really. Is that the only element that we have to look at? Isn't mental illness an element in this issue? Should mentally ill people be allowed to have easy access to a knife, to a machine gun, to any kind of weapon? Isn't that the real issue over here? So this is what enrages me, when people who do not understand a thing about the video game culture, they try to lecture us, and they say, you know what, you are not, I have observed instances where parents outright ban or outright stop their children from playing video games outright completely. What is this going to achieve? Just because some people do something crazy by playing video games, or maybe just I have heard of just one instance of video games causing some kind of violence. But experts agree that there is no proper link, no link of causation between between video games and violence. Just because we are seeing a violent movie does not mean that we are going to go out there and start killing people left and right. It is simple as that. I don't like many video games that are there in this world. Too much of cussing, too much of swearing, too much of sexualized tones. Just yeah, too much of graphic violence sometimes. I just don't play those games. I just do not play those games. It is as simple as that. You can find those video games that are out there that do not have graphic violence, that do not have a huge amount of stress, that do not entail a huge amount of stress while you are playing them. So please, can we stop blaming video games in general for each and every bad thing that is happening in the world? Oh yes, everything in the world, every problem in the world, blame the video games. Just idiots, who don't understand this thing, who understand the video game culture, just assigning assigning motives to video gamers. That what, he is the next mass shooter. Yeah, really, is this the kind of IQ level that people have sometimes as policymakers? If you like this video, please consider liking this video. If you want to share this video with your friends, acquaintances, then you can do that. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. And this is it from me for now. I might talk about this topic in my future videos, but I think this is it on this issue from me for now, at least for a few months, I guess. Until then, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.